nakakakaba, nakakaaliw.
Tumama naman po na si Edward po, tsaka si McCoy, tutulong po sa akin. Kampante naman po ako. Hi, guys!
Hello po. I'll just give you two a moment alone.
Ay, grabe.
Sige.
Prince Edward.
Ayun.
And Prince McCoy. Hanep!
We're excited to see you, but we can't exactly do that at the moment.
Sana after this, kaya niyan. Yes, McCoy?
Ha?
Saan ka nakatingin?
Sa'yo?
Prince Edward, are you
Yes, po.
ready?
Yes.
Prinsipe McCoy, handa ka na ba?
Handa na.
Kuya, handa na po.
Get ready, set, go.
Edward first. More
Alright.
forward, straight. Touch it,
What is this?
touch it. It's
Rope.
underneath. Take it out. It's underneath the rope. There you go. Good job, Edward.
Where
Give
are
it
you?
to me, please. Forward, right, turn right, straight. Just keep going. Straight. Yay! Thank you.
Alright.
Edward, left. Turn left. Yes. Forward. Kung sino yung mas malapit dun sa challenge, yun po yung gagamitin kong tao para gumawa po. There you go. Touch it. Whoop!
Oops.
It's on your foot. Right foot. There you
Edward,
go.
one at a time. Bigyan mo ulit, Kaylee.
Forward. Okay.
Got it.
McCoy, forward. Akala ko po nung una magiging sobrang dali po. I-spin mo pa akyat yung hawak mo. Sa baba. Yan. Tanggalin mo pa akyat. Pero mahirap din po pala, kuya, yung ikaw yung nag-i-instruct sa kanila ng gagawin. Kasi bawat move nila, sa'yo nakasalalay. Go, McCoy. Sige pa. Sa ilalim may butas. Hawakan mo yung floor. Nandyan, sa loob. Ina-expect ko po, kuya, na siya yung unang tutulong sa akin. So, hindi naman po ka nagkamali. Nandyan po siya. Straight lang. Lakad ka lang. Ayan na, malapit ka na sa